This is my current situation, trying to dig out this ditch. It's bad in Baltimore, y'all. It's bad. Trying to get in and turn this motherfucker on. What it do, YTZ? It's a fucking snowstorm. Look at this shit. I was supposed to go to work, but it don't look like it. It's still snowing. Like, it's bad, yo. And I work an hour away. It's just gonna get worse. Alright, let's finish cleaning this car. See, it's crazy because it's not that cold. I mean, it's about 5 in the morning, 4 something in the morning right now, though. Anyway, I don't know why I'm talking like this. But it's not cold. So I guess it's gonna be continuing to snow because y'all know they say it was warm in the winter. That snow coming, so. Got the car running, trying to put some sweat on that ball. I'm sure everybody got snow now. We can't be the only ones going through this shit. Ice all on the lights. I ain't gonna lie, I told my job, like, look, I've been fighting this shit all week. I ain't coming in there today, man. I got plenty of hours. I ain't coming in that motherfucker. Got me fucked up today. Sliding all around the fucking highway. I gotta drive an hour. I gotta go through little roads that I'm sure hasn't got touched by a goddamn snowplow. Ain't no salt nowhere. I'm talking about dirt roads. Like the middle of nowhere type driving. I'm not dealing with that. Seemed like ice on the back mostly. The car got sweat a little bit. This side not that bad. It wasn't that bad. I can tell you what, it's starting to get a little cold out here. The longer I sit out here, the longer my motherfucking body gonna start breaking down. Look at shit. Man, that shit cold hit me. That snow cold as a motherfucker. Ladies, I hope you got a man that can do this. Fellas, I hope y'all doing this. Shit. No, we hate it, but shit, gotta do it. Get it clean. See that? That heat starting to heat. The car understanding the assignment now. God, now it's probably like, what the fuck going on? It's cold up there. Yeah, melt that motherfucking snow. Help me. Shit. Help me, help you, car. That's the part you gotta worry about. You know, when all this shit getting frozen. Which it already is, but get this shit out of there. You don't want that shit all in your system, man. The gas tank thing was fucking frozen shut yesterday. I was trying to get gas and it wasn't open. I know it's shut solid now. Do y'all leave this on top? I know a lot of people just leave the top on. It's just gonna fall off, I guess. Or should I do the top too? It's all pretty clean now. Oh, this shit's solid ice. See, this when the long arms come in handy. Just press that shit over there. Used to hold something. Alright, that's it for that. Time for this. My hand's starting to be freezing. Nice shovel I bought about 2 years ago, never used it. I don't know what the hell just happened, but some freezing rain just started to come down. Like, yo, my hands is fucking freezing. I did shovel the car, and my hands fucking freezing. And then I work in this. So if I was to went to work, I would be in this all day, like literally no shelter. It's no shelter. Like, somebody gotta do it though. Somebody gotta do the shit. Might as well be me. Tell you what, I'm about to go in this house and smoke. And fucking relax. Fuck that. So, let's show what all this at. Hold all this in the front. That's alright. As long as I get up out. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you dig yourself out of a snowstorm and saying, fuck your neighbors, because I'm not doing that. Thank you. Come again. The second day of our blizzard. Time for another round. Go through that shit. Literally just did this yesterday or so. 2 days ago. A little sweat. Let that motherfucker sweat this shit off. Halfway decent. With me. Dang. This shit is fucked up. This shit is fucked up. They got the salt machine. And this morning, y'all, I didn't go to work. I turned around and said, fuck it. You feel me? And now look at the car again, all back. It's been about 4 hours since I've been out here. And it's back again. This time, I'm ready to just hit the windows, man. It's a little lighter, so. I don't remember the last time we got this much snow. My fucking car ain't even moving. I gotta shovel this motherfucker out. Damn. Let's get the shovel, y'all. Should be all right. Oh. Damn it. Now my hands cold. All right, now my hands cold. Frost and shit. All right, let's see if we back up. First we ain't back up. Put a little pressure on that motherfucker. We got action, y'all. What the fuck? Motherfuckers driving like it ain't no goddamn... Like it ain't no fucking blizzard. Like what the fuck, y'all?
Please fasten driver seat belt.
Alright. Yeah, it's ugly, but it ain't... It's ugly. It's ugly. It's cars out here though, so it got some motion going on, but it's definitely ugly. I hope you got PTO like myself, you feel me? Cause ain't no fucking way. So over East clear, like far as the road, shit, I guess. I hit my brakes early as shit. I want you far away, man. See, I gotta melt my back window shield, cause that motherfucker got some snow all over. I can't even see, so I need that melting. Anyway, I'm about to go to the gym. Hopefully there's nobody in that bitch. I hope they open now, now that I think about it. I mean, I guess ain't nothing else closed but the school, so. I don't like being on the right side because that's where most of the drains at, and that's where most of the water at, and that's where it's gonna freeze at, so that's where the ice gonna be at. I don't know, that's just my theory. When I work in the industry, so I kind of know, like, the drains mostly on the right side. So if you on the far right of the road, that's where most of the water gonna be if it get clogged, stopped up and stuff like that. So keep that in mind, y'all. And I'm driving slow like a turtle. These motherfuckers is balling past me, looking at me all crazy. I don't give a fuck. That's crazy. I just started putting them, I just put the rear window heater on. That shit, literally, I can see now. I couldn't see nothing just now. It was all snow for real. Oh, let me over before you come out sliding. Hey, when Nikki said, Spotify ain't got a lie, they really screaming my music. That shit fire, y'all.